Yeah, elle veut danser, elle veut bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the 14th day of my 100 days of YouTube videos. I hope you stick around by subscribing. Okay, we're going to start off by making sure our lips are clean. So now I'm going to use a black lip liner to line my lips. You can use any black liner of your choice. So I'm just going to line the outer part of my lips with this liner. And then I'm just going to add my gloss, and that's it. This is the first option. I always rock these lips, man. I always rock this combo. Like, this is my go-to combo every time I go out. So the next one, this is the OG 90s look. So I'm just going to use a foundation all over my lips, and then I'm going to use a translucent powder to just set the foundation in. You can also use concealer if you want. And then I'm using the same black liner to line my lips. I'm just going to take this shade, please, the shade that is circled, please. So yeah, so then I'm just going to apply the lipstick on my lips, and then I'm just going to blend it in, and that's it. And I'm going to apply my gloss, and voila, you have your OG 90s lips. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment below. Mwah. Bye.
Let them know who got the crown, girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it.